Hey, Dave Sherwood back from Sherwood Inspection Services. We have gotten our floor joists into place here. A couple of things I want to show you because we ran into a couple of hiccups and I want to show you what you can do about it. So if you come over here, I want to show you, this is our built-up beam here. We had talked about this before. However, we found out that during shipping, they had damaged part of the beam. So what we had to do is measure the beam and found that the beam came in at 16 inches. We only needed a 14-inch beam on our drawings. Therefore, what we could do is cut out a section of it, repair that section with another pressure-treated piece of board, glued it in place, and screwed it in place. So a little bit of a repair there, but even without that, we still had our 14-inch beam in place to be able to support this corner load of the building. So important to know that sometimes damage happens during shipping, but there are things sometimes you can do about it depending on if it still satisfies the needs structurally. All right, so you'll notice then that on top of our beam, we have our floor joists, and we decided to go with rigid blocking as opposed to cross blocking. Now really, the code kind of has variances here. It says if it's so long, then you need to have blocking, but it doesn't say whether it's cross bridging or solid blocking. We decided to go with solid blocking to give it more strength, even though it may not have been necessary because of the length. The next thing I wanted to show you is we've got a regular floor joist. This is going inside, and then notice the color difference between this green tinted and the regular floor joist. This is not pressure treated because it's going to be inside our walls, and this is going to be the end of our exterior wall, and this is going to be our front porch. So because of that, this decking is going to go on top of here. So we needed pressure treated wood here. We have what's called our 3-beam here. So this beam is 3 boards put together. I think these were 2x8s here that we put together. Notched out our column and then secured that to the beam. This isn't holding much weight. This is just going to hold the floor joist for the porch, and then of course our stairs will get attached to it. And so that's what we've gotten done today here. Next, we're going to go ahead and take that Advantech that we talked about last time, and we're going to put that on for our subfloor. That will be glued and fastened to the floor joist so that we can then start moving up with our second floor. So a little bit more work here in squaring off our edge here, and then we can start buttoning that up. So that's what we got for today. We will see you next time.